So dear student, today I am going to show you some of the clause, that is between clause and percentage. That means you can see here I have written here percentage and between clause. So let us see it. Okay. So now first, like this percentage, suppose it had asked you in your question paper that find out the name of those students whose first letter is starting with M. Okay, so you can do this M, then select SID name from student. If it has asked you to show all, then select asterisk. Okay, as I have written here, select asterisk from student. So where name like what is name like M percentage. Okay, so this is how. Next one you see, suppose select where. Now I am changing this one, where suppose name what we have, K, isn't it? K, then percentage, then after K the second letter suppose R. Okay, so there is empty set. Okay, so after K, then after it start with particular thing R, that means it is showing you that set is an empty set. Okay, so this way you will going to do the particular thing. Suppose K, suppose D. Okay, let's see what it shows. This is also showing you that empty set. Now I am showing that like where suppose K. Okay, only K. Now only K, what it will show, there is one particular value is there. So suppose another one it is showing us, I want to see where first one gap, then with R, then percentage. Okay, with R percentage. So let's do it. What the output it shows, this is also showing that it has got an empty set there. Clear? Just a minute. Another I am showing you. Okay, so with anything can start, that means it will going to see here. This one I have given minus R, that means it is taking a R deducted from there. So another one I am giving underscore, that means underscore R means it will show all the values with the R. Okay, so this is thing what you can find it, that particular things are there that can be shown. Now if I write here, suppose A, A, oh sorry, A gone outside. A, then after that suppose I am giving R. Let's see it shows what value it shows, or it may shows the empty set also. Okay, is it okay now? Now A colon R, that means it is showing this particular thing. Okay, now another one what I need to see, that K percent R. Okay, K percent R means it is not extracting that particular value from there. That means K is been initialized at that particular set, it is showing the empty set. Okay, so this is how the things are there. Now between clause means you we can use the between clause here. Suppose see here, between clause, that means seat name, SID name, SID here I have to give the comma, SID comma name, SID comma name, then DOB, between what, between this range. Okay, between this particular range. So between this range, what, this is the range what has been taken. So 2001 from 2001st year, then month, then the date. Okay, so another one you see it with between.